Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So this first one looks like someone is stacking and gluing together some bowls. These are like really uniquely shaped. Okay, so she's going in with the paint, adding some texture with dirt and baking soda. Using a sponge to apply the paint. Ooh, I really like how this is looking so far. So I'm thinking she's definitely making some sort of vase. Oh, it is a side table. That was my second guess. Wow, what a unique shape for that one. Very interesting. And then we have a DIY featuring some butterfly design. So she drew the butterfly first. Now this is a really cute idea. I think that this would be a nice project to do with like your kids, especially if you have like a little girl. Or just put it in your own room and make it like glitzy with a butterfly. So for this part, you can either use like the sticker, glass that you get from Amazon, or you can actually cut up an old CD. I think that would be really cool. Kind of creates like this nice mosaic look. Very nice. And this is definitely a beginner-friendly project too. Nothing complicated. So then we have a DIY for a lantern. I like how this person is putting this together while they're just like sitting on their patio or deck. And if you can, as we enter in that summer season, make your own lantern. You'll save so much money. And look how pretty easy and simple this is to make. This is so nice. Very cool. You can also use a flameless candle. So it looks like we have some styrofoam for the next DIY. Okay, so she made some type of shape. She's cutting it out. Oh, she's making like a decorative piece. So she uses like paper mache in order to make it more structured. Wow, what a clever design. I don't even know how she came up with this. This is really cool. Now, I think if she would have took this a step further and like did like a platform, like a base and a stand for this, that will elevate the look so much more. But this is really cool. I feel like it definitely needs a stand though, or is that just me? I just feel like that would have just took it up a notch. And then we have someone doing a lampshade. Oh, they're kind of creating like an ombre effect with the colors. That's really pretty. I love the color scheme. All right, so then we have some more macrame. All right, we didn't get to see the end result for that one. But here is another bottle inspired DIY. So this one looks like she's making a vase. Very interesting color scheme with the multiple colors. Kind of looks like a cow print, but in like different color shades. Oh, a leaf design, that's cute. And this is yet another easy project. You can buy the bottle from Michael's and then paint it and decorate it how you choose. Nice and simple. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.